After successfully registering your account, you will now need to pay the registration fee. You can pay the registration fee by visiting the Upload Documents page. You can visit the Upload Documents page by clicking on this button here where it says Upload Documents. You will then be taken to the page where it's going to detail the outstanding registration fee that is pending. You can pay the registration fee by clicking on the hyperlink that says here. After clicking on this hyperlink, it will take you to the next screen, which is the fee payment screen. On the fee payment screen, you have two options. The first option is online payment by card. To pay by card, you will need to click this link here. After clicking the link, you should arrive at the online payment page. Inside the box here, you will see the words application fee to upload certificates. You need to click on this writing here. It will say application fee to upload certificates, and it should be highlighted in blue after you click on it. Once you've clicked on it and it is highlighted in blue, then you click the button that says continue to pay. Once you have clicked continue to pay, you will come to the online payment screen. The online payment screen is going to detail the outstanding fee to be paid and the total, which will include a small processing fee. After reviewing the master total, you can then click this blue button here that says pay fees. After clicking the button, the Stripe payment application will come up. Here on the Stripe payment application, you will need to input your card number, the expiration, which will include the month and the year, and the 3-digit code that will be on the back of the card. After inputting the required information, you then can click the blue button here that says pay. Clicking this button will pay your registration fees, and then you can go on to the next step. The other option for paying your registration fees is via bank transfer. To pay via bank transfer, the process is the same up until the fee payment screen. If we go back to the main page or the dashboard, we can start from there. If you look at the button where it says upload documents, we can click this button to pay the registration fee. Click on the button that says upload documents. You then arrive at this page, which will inform you of paying the outstanding registration fee. Once again, click the link that says here. Clicking the link that says here will bring you to the fee payment screen. As detailed before, you do have the option to pay online by card. And also to the right, you have the option to pay offline via bank transfer. Please note that all countries do not have the option to pay via bank transfer, so you will need to check with your bank and the country that you reside in to be sure that the bank transfer option is available for you. If the option is available and you would like to pay via bank transfer, basically you will need to take down the bank account details, which are located here, the account name, account number, account currency, the account address, the bank name and the bank address, as well as the SWIFT code, which is located here, will need to be included in the transfer. After making the bank transfer to the bank account that is provided, you will then need to upload your transfer receipt. This link here, under the offline payment by bank option, is where you would click to upload your bank transfer receipt after you have successfully completed the bank transfer. When you click on the link to upload your bank transfer receipt, you will have the option to choose a file. You should have saved the file on your computer in a location that you can easily find. You will click on Choose File. When you click Choose File, another window will pop up where you then can locate the transfer receipt where you have saved on the device that you are using. Once you've clicked on that receipt, then click Open and it should upload the file. Next, you need to keep in mind that the maximum file size is 2 megabytes. After uploading the file, you will need to select a purpose. The drop-down box will have various options. You will need to select the current semester you are enrolling in. Once you click on the semester that you're paying the fees for, it will be highlighted in blue. Next, there will be a drop-down box here in which you select your country that you are residing in. After finding your country, you then will select the payment method, which for this option will be bank wire. Select bank wire. It'll be highlighted in blue. Once you click it, then it will be the option that will be shown for payment method. Next, type in the amount in US dollars which you transferred. Next, in the comments section, you can write in the comments the reason for the bank transfer, which is to pay the registration fee. After completing each one of these options, you then click Upload Now. This will upload your bank transfer receipt and complete the task for paying your registration fee via bank transfer.